Welcome to Monkey Physics IIT JEE NEET Foundations.
In the next example, the object is dropped from some height, t is equal to 0, initial velocity 0. Now it reaches to the ground with the velocity of 16 meters per second. And the question is, what is the velocity just 1 second before reaching the ground? So the object is dropped from some height. It reaches to the ground with a speed of 16 meters per second. And what is its speed or velocity 1 second before reaching the ground? Now how to take this? Now once it gaining the velocity of 16 meters per second, then what is the time when it reaches the ground? V is equal to gt, and 60 is equal to 10t, and t equal to 6 seconds. That we know, right? Yeah. So 1 second before reaching the ground means at t equal to 5 seconds they are asking. So at t equal to 5, velocity is equal to 50 meters per second by using this same formula, isn't it? Yeah. Then next example, for object dropped from some height, okay, at t equal to 0, initial velocity 0. Same condition, because I am discussing about the object dropped from some height. I am not entered at rest of the cases. First case only I am discussing. That is why the same similar initial conditions I am giving always. Yeah. Now they are asking, draw velocity versus time graph. Draw velocity versus time graph. Now whenever they ask us to draw the graph between the two physical quantities, first we need to understand what is the relation between them. Relation means like we have to write the equation which involves these two. So V is equal to U plus AT. So V is equal to GT. So V is equal to 10T. Isn't it? Now look at here. This is Y is equal to MX form. Now how do you draw this graph? Y is equal to MX. Let's take, this is x-axis and this is V I am taking and this is T I am taking, right? Now how will be the graph? This graph appears like this, straight line. How? Now at t equal to 1, at t equal to 2, at t equal to 3, this velocity is equal to 10, this velocity is equal to 20, this velocity is equal to 30, and so on. Yeah. Now this 10 is indicating M. We all know with the basic idea regarding the graphs. So if not having idea, we should first focus on at least basic graphical information. So M is called slope, and the slope also represented by y by x, or else dy by dx, or else delta y by delta x, or y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, and finally this is also represented like tan theta, like a tan theta. So whenever they ask us if this is theta for this particular graph, then please remember tan theta is equal to slope is nothing but 10. Then what about theta? Theta is equal to tan inverse of 10. And this is one more question they can ask us from this graph. Hope it's clear to you. Yeah, thank you.